What is up, course heroes? Welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit, and today we are going to look at affiliates inside system.io and how to manage them, how to set them up, the whole shebang. Let's get started. All right, I'm inside my system account. From here, what you want to do is go into sales and click on my affiliate program, and this is where you're going to do almost all of your settings for your affiliate program. So you can click on the affiliate program settings, and that's going to bring you to this window. Now note that I have my Wise account connected for payouts, and if you want to connect your PayPal account, it says you have to have at least 25 invoices generated so you can connect your PayPal account. So I've connected my Wise account. I've set up my default level 1 and level 2 percentages for my affiliates. So what the second tier affiliate means is, let's say someone signs up for an affiliate to sell my course and then they sign someone else up. You can give up to 2 levels of commission. So not only the person that signed up to promote your course, but then they signed up someone else who's now promoting your course. So I right now have that at 0, and then minimum payout amount is the least amount that you're going to accrue as an affiliate before it gets paid out. So if your affiliate sold a $300 course and their commission was $30, they will get paid out. And not only can you change this, but you can also customize this for different courses. And I'm going to show you in a few minutes how you can do this per course. The next is how much delay do you want to have before you pay out your affiliates. So this usually coincides with your refund policy. So if your refund policy, let's say, is 30 days, then you would want to pay out your affiliates after that refund policy has expired. Then if you're going to publish your course or your digital product in the vendor marketplace, you would want to pick a name for the vendor marketplace. And if you want to look at systems marketplace where other affiliates are promoting their products, you can go to the marketplace from this dashboard link, and this shows you all the products that are being currently offered for you to become an affiliate. Now you can also allow your affiliates to view the email addresses of the leads that have signed up through them. I typically leave this unchecked, but if you like to check it, then they would be able to see those leads in their affiliate dashboard. And then lastly, you have proxy links. So if I hover over it, it will show you what these proxy links are. Essentially, if you're using landing pages outside of system and you want the tracking to follow through, you would create those proxy links. So that's for the main affiliate settings. And then what I can do is go back into my affiliate program, and down here I can further tweak the settings for individual courses or bundles that I have within my system account. So today what we're going to do is use this one as an example, which is my AI Adventures membership for those who want to learn how to use AI for their online courses. Now you can either click this to get to this funnel, or you can go to funnels and then click on that specific funnel, and it's going to bring you to the same page. So let me hop back to my affiliate program and then click on my AI Adventures membership. And what you'll notice here is the affiliate commission is set up different than my other products. So I've set this to be 50% affiliate commission with its 7-day payout delay. So when someone subscribes using that affiliate link, there'll be a 7-day waiting period after which my affiliates will get paid. Now by default, system automatically assigns an affiliate ID to every single contact in your contact list, which makes our life way easier. So what you're going to do is, once you have set up your affiliate program, you have set up your commissions, each contact gets their own affiliate login, but this isn't an automated email that's going to go out to all your contacts, which would likely confuse your students. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up so that anyone who signs up for your affiliate program will get access to this affiliate dashboard. So what I've done here is I have my membership page here. So this is my membership checkout page, and what I have done here is I have 4 pages. When someone signs up to my membership, they're going to go through the order form, then they're going to land on the thank you page, and then I have 2 pages for my affiliates, which is my affiliate sign up page and then my affiliate thank you page. So let me show you how I've set that up. You essentially add a new step and pick any opt-in form. So I picked a very simple opt-in form for this demo, and let me just show you what this affiliate sign up page looks like. So this would be a link I would give out to those who are interested in becoming affiliates for this specific course. From here, all they need to do is fill in their email address, and I have set up all the other automations in the back end. So let's test this out and see how it works. I have a random email address here. I'm gonna go and plug that in and sign up. On the system side, what's happening is I have set up the conditions here that whenever someone submits this form, show them the thank you page, which is this one right here, which is what we saw right here. Now, if I go and check this inbox, I should have received an email with the details on how to sign up as an affiliate. So you can see I have automated email that goes out for anyone who signs up to my affiliate program with their unique ID and also a link to their affiliate dashboard. Now, what I would recommend also adding to this email is step-by-step directions on how they can use their unique affiliate ID to promote your courses, your info products, etc. So first, let's check out the dashboard. Whenever they click that link, they're going to be brought to this page where they have to set up their password. So I set up my password, created my account, and now we are inside the affiliate dashboard. This is what it would look like for your students. From here, they can toggle the date here to see their latest sales, how much commission they have earned, what are the payments that have been made out to them, and then how many leads they have given you, etc. On the right side is a quick snapshot of the dollar amounts and then also their affiliate ID. Now, since this is being hosted on System, they do get the option to promote System as well, and there is no way for you to hide this. And then any other marketplace offers that they would be interested in, they can click on marketplace and sign up for those offers as well. Up here under settings, they can update their profile, they can check their payout, and they can set up PayPal or wire transfer for their payout. They can look at notifications, and then finally they can also change their password. So it's a pretty robust affiliate dashboard that's already built into System, which is amazing. Typically people pay extra for affiliate management tools so they can manage their affiliates, but all of this is part of System, which is just awesome. And I'll drop my System link below if you want to take it for a test drive. If you sign up through my affiliate link, I obviously get commission, but as a bonus, you also get 50 pre-made templates for your System pages. So check out that link in the description below. Let's get back to it. And then once your affiliates have set up their dashboard, all they need to do is put this link in front of any of your sales pages. So for example, if we go to my membership page here, what they would want to do is after the checkout, they would put in a question mark and then they would put in their affiliate ID. And this will ensure that the sale gets attributed to the correct affiliate. And that's why I was mentioning that have a step-by-step instructions on how they need to set up their affiliate ID. That being said, let me show you how to do those automations to send that email to your affiliates. So what I have done here is on my funnel, if we go back to my membership funnel, I have the affiliate sign up, and in the automation rules, I have said that whenever someone subscribes to the sign up form, first of all, add a tag of affiliate and then send them the affiliate link and details. And this email essentially has the personalization tag to send the URL of the contact's affiliate dashboard and also their unique ID, which is this tag right here. And if you don't know how to set up these automations, I will link to one of my latest videos where I walk you through how to set up these automations in System. So I've set up those automations in here, and that is how whenever someone signs up to my affiliate page, they get that automated email. Now let me go back to this person who signed up as an affiliate, and you can see that they signed up from the affiliate sign up page, and then this was the source URL of the page, and then this is their affiliate ID. Further, I can click on view affiliate activity and see what activities have happened on this affiliate. I did register for the course using this affiliate's ID, but this was done right before I started recording the video. So I'm assuming it takes a day or two to reconcile all the affiliate sales and start showing up in the dashboard. But I want to show you, this is where you would go to check the affiliate sales. Going back to my contact here, I can see that the affiliate tag was applied to them. And then further down, I can also see that they received that email with their affiliate link and details. Now let me show you one of the person that signed up using this affiliate's ID, what that looks like in your system dashboard. So I'm back in my system dashboard and this person signed up using that affiliate ID that I was showing you earlier. And to see that, if you're on this person's page, you'll see the source URL, and that source URL has that affiliate ID in there. So I know that this person came from an affiliate. And then further down, I can see what plan they subscribed to, what was the payment date, and what emails they have received, etc. So this is how the affiliate program within system works. And I mentioned earlier that each contact gets their own unique affiliate ID. You can see that right here. And that makes it really easy for us as course creators to have that network effect where we can have our affiliates promoting our products for us. And there you have it, course heroes. That is how easy it is to set up your affiliates inside of system. So what are you waiting for? Go set those affiliates up, make those extra sales, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a video. And until next time, keep creating.